So I brought you today a simple sales data to demonstrate how you can create templates for any charts. First, I'm going to select the range where I have the data. My data includes a monthly sales report for salespeople. I have the list of salespeople, and the last row item is just a monthly target. I simply select the range where I have the data. I go to the Insert tab, and I choose from one of the charts. I'm going to choose the stacked columns. I move down a little bit, make it wider. I'm going to name it as Sales Competition. Then I select this value, which is my monthly target, but only this bar from the chart. Right click, then hit Change Series Chart Type. And I'm going to choose the combo with the lines and the stacked columns. I'm going to check all the values to make sure each one is good. I see this one is lined, but I want this to appear as a stacked column. Next one, stacked again. And the monthly target should be a line, and that should appear on the secondary axis. Then I select this box, I hit OK. Here we go, I got a target line on my chart. Then let's simply just remove the secondary values, go to the Format Chart area. I'm going to add a solid fill, and I think I'm done. You got the point. So if you have any special chart you use regularly for your data, then you can save it as a template. Once your chart is done, you simply just right click on the chart and hit Save as Template. In the new window, let's name your chart template. It's called Sales Competition. I hit Save, and the Excel will save it in the proper folder. Let's give it a try. I open up a blank new sheet, then I simply just copy the data, Ctrl C, I go back to the new sheet, I paste my data here, right click, only values, and now I go to the Insert tab, I hit Recommended Charts, and from the tabs on the top I'm going to choose the All Charts. And if you look at the list on the left hand side, you have a new folder called Templates. And here we go, I have my Sales Competition chart template saved. I select the template and then I just simply hit OK. And voila, my chart has been recreated by the same way. And I just simply need to rename it as I wish. If you right click on the chart and you hit Save as Template one more time, but do not duplicate your templates, then you can see that this folder includes already a template which can be used in any Excel file you just create on your computer. Let me know in the comment if it was useful for you.